All right, guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair this zipper on this keyboard case. I kind of got a little ahead of myself before I started recording, but we just pulled all that back and it was glued down to the board, and we peel it up, and there's these rivets all around holding the pieces on. So we're going to go through and grind them off. I already ground them two off, and then we'll be able to pull it off from there. All right, I got the handle pulled off and the rivets removed from here. So now we got to turn this inside out, and that way I can pull this board out and get those rivets underneath it. All right, so we got the inner case out. It consisted of the plastic with a wood bottom where all the pieces had got riveted to. The wheels. Also had these little rails on the back to protect it. So I've taken all the foam out. We're gonna replace all that because it got destroyed. It was all glued down. So now our next step would be to pull this part at the seam, take the zipper off, and replace it with a new one. Got the zipper off. I'm gonna go through and clean all these old threads up, and we're gonna cut the zipper to length, and we'll get to sewing. Here's our new zipper. I'm going to start from one end, just work my way around and measure it out the simplest way possible, and then we'll be on to sewing. after we get it all sewn up, we put the hard stuff back in. Now it's just a matter of getting some rivets and piecing all the hardware back together. All right, now it's rivet time. I've got these 1/2 inch by 3/16 aluminum rivets. We use aluminum so they don't rust and get all over the case. We're going to start by riveting these back supports on, and then the wheels on the bottom, and then finally the handle, and we'll be able to wrap this up. All right, got ahead of myself again. Got all the pieces riveted in, and now I'm gluing the foam onto the sides for the inner lining, and then we got the bottom lining to do, and that's it. All right, so now we have our finished product. Keyboard case with a zipper that works. That thing. So there it is. One more pro tip for you. If you got loose threads, don't pull them, burn them. It'll seal it up, keep it from fraying. Just don't keep your flame on there for too long. All right, guys, that's it.